What you need to know to become successful in the affiliate marketing field. So just what is going on with affiliate marketing in this day and age? With everything else going on in your life, it can be nearly impossible to keep track of the latest trends and information. Here in this video you will find some of the most important information on affiliate marketing that you have been looking for. To sign the best contract possible, review it carefully before signing. Some companies might ask you not to sell anything else outside of their products. This will eventually keep you from earning more money and you will find yourself tied to one program that you might not be satisfied with. Check the company's reputation. Working with a company who has a bad reputation is pretty obviously a bad idea, but dig a little deeper to see how their underlying reputation looks. They may have undisclosed issues, like a lawsuit that hasn't made the news yet. You don't want to affiliate yourself with a company that will, in the end, damage your reputation as well. One of the best ways to increase your affiliate expertise level is to study what other marketers are doing with similar products. By viewing their tactics, you will understand how they attract people to their sites and ultimately send them to the main company's site to become customers. It's a working method that can help you increase commissions. Affiliate programs differ tremendously in terms of the services and payment structures that they offer. If one program doesn't seem to fit your revenue goals, then consider a different one with a different financial arrangement. Although there are many large affiliate networks, don't forget about the smaller ones as an excellent source of revenue. In conclusion, it is definitely difficult to stay on top of all of the latest tips and tricks coming out about affiliate marketing. To make matters worse, information is constantly changing, making it nearly impossible to be an expert unless you make it a point to keep yourself up to date. Hopefully you found this video interesting, informative, and were able to learn a couple of new things. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.